Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeff Zizek on behalf of the state of Ohio for this next case. This is case number 25 CR 3471, State of Ohio versus Kirk Barton. Mr. Barton has been charged via an amended indictment. One count of aggravated vehicular homicide as a felony in the second degree. One count of aggravated vehicular homicide as a felony of the third degree. One and two counts of operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, drug abuse, or a combination of them, each being a misdemeanor of the first degree. Your Honor, back on June 23rd, 2025, Mr. Barton appeared in Franklin County Municipal Court on his initial appearance. At that point, the judge there set a $500,000 appearance bond with various conditions, including no operation of a motor vehicle, no odor or consumption, possession of alcohol, stay away from the next of kin, and also for the placement of a scram bracelet at the defendant's expense. Subsequent to that, counsel waived preliminary hearing pursuant to local rule. We are asking that bond to be maintained over here.
As well as the conditions of that bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor, as well as the addition of a $10,000 recon.
One more question before I turn it over to you, counsel. Any other additional conditions being requested today?
Not at this time.
Okay. Counsel?
Judge, everything that Mr. Zizek says is correct. Kirk has been dutifully abiding by all terms and conditions. We would merely add the request for the $10,000 recon to keep everybody on a happy plea.
Go ahead with the plea too as well, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
Go ahead with the plea.
Not guilty, Judge, and we'll waive any defects in service. He's received a copy of the indictment, as have I.
I'm going to ask one more clarifying question. This remains a reporting recognizance bond with drug and alcohol screens?
Correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Mr. Shamansky?
I believe so. I don't believe there's been a reporting component, Your Honor. I thought
Okay.
maybe with the scram that takes care.
Does that take care of it?
Yeah, there's no drug issues here, but you know, the initial bond, I don't believe had a reporting component. I thought the scram would cover it.
And that does with the GPS and all of that, yes.
Yeah, so that's already in place.
Okay.
State's fine.
Thank you, counsel. Mr. Barton, I accept your not guilty plea. I'm setting a $10,000 recognizance bond. Because this is a bind over, the $500,000 surety bond and all of the conditions of
Appearance,
that
Judge.
is an appearance.
Yes.
The $500,000 appearance bond and all of the conditions of that bond remain in place. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Well, this was an arraignment. Since we had already posted bond in municipal court, there wasn't a whole lot to it except to show up, plead not guilty. An additional $10,000 recognizance bond was put on by agreement of the parties. Just in the unlikely event that Mr. Barton didn't show up, they could pursue additional criminal charges. So, you know, now we're going to receive discovery and begin in earnest preparing the case.
Is Mr. Barton feeling any remorse, or where does this take you at right now?
You know, you can imagine, I think, smart journalist that you are, that you would have to be the most stone cold hearted human being in the world not to be drowning in remorse and sorrow. Whether you're at fault, whether you're not at fault, there was an accident, some might call it a criminal act, I don't care what you call it, but a life was lost, and Mr. Barton grieves along with the rest of us. That's for sure, and that's no defense lawyer.
Where do things go from here now?
Well, as I said, the case will be assigned to a judge. It'll take a day or two. The government will provide us with discovery, and we'll, you know, again, begin defending it.
It sounds like he used to do regular checks for alcohol.
Yeah, he has a monitor because, of course, this is an alcohol-related case, allegation-wise. So everybody wants to make sure that he's compliant, and he has been and will continue to be.
Will any of his previous issues with alcohol play a role in this?
So previous issues, it's a good question. His record, I believe, is free of alcohol-related traffic convictions. So the answer, I believe, is no. But, you know, judges take into account every part of a person's history, character, and condition. In this case, would be no different.
Thank you for watching the ABC6 News YouTube channel, bringing you breaking news, stories, sports, and original content throughout Central Ohio. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe as well so you don't miss out. ABC6 News is on your side.